We are back in the garage, but before we get started, I'm working on the car. We've got some upgrades to the shop and a little bit of cleaning to do, so we're gonna get into that right now. This is what it looks like now with the lights installed. I'll do a quick turn them off. This side of the car is a little bit dark. Take them on. You can really see that they make a difference. Also, when we're doing paint work, this will be some nice lights on it. See what's going on here. From one over here to over here, and Kevin was able to fix this light up here. In the last episode, I wasn't able to do any of the fiberglass work, so today I have the paper measuring cups. I still have all of my cutouts of the fiberglass and the resin and stuff. I also got my vacuum here, so I can clean out back in there and take care of all the dirt and debris that's in there that was preventing me from starting patch on the backside while Kevin was underneath doing the patching. So Kevin has done some,
oh God, don't show this.
some very nice patchwork, as you can see there, and right there, and now he's finger painting with
Seam sealer.
Seam sealer. By the way, seam sealer, for whatever reason in our area, super hard to find. I went to a bunch of different auto parts stores, and only one had it in stock, and they only had 2 tubes. So I don't know what people are doing with seam sealer, but
Probably crazy stuff like this.
yeah, true. Watch your hair, Kevin.
Oh yeah, fiberglass.
Yeah, so let me get some light going here for the viewers. I did my first layer of fiberglass, which looks like literal poop was smeared on the camera, but it's not actually brown.
It's kind of brown.
It's a little bit brown. But this is my first time working with fiberglass, and I think it's coming out pretty good. I also put together the back seat because it's been torn apart for a while. I vacuumed it out, got it nice and clean. Also vacuumed out the trunk, and I think that's about the only update. Oh, I also put the tire on the passenger side because we'll be able to put the vehicle on the ground and then torque them down to spec for the first time in a long time. Because, I don't know if I showed earlier, I got a battery. Got a big old battery. For those of you who don't know, you can put a marine battery in your car. And marine batteries are cheaper than car batteries. So something that we wanted to do for a long time, and while we are waiting for the fiberglass to dry on that side of the car so we can put the tire and get it back on the ground, we are going to go inside the car and we're going to pull the front seats, clean all this out, get rid of all this junk that's in there, pull these out, and fit in these new seats. Gabba goo.
Boom. One seat.
Yeah, it's pretty dirty.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, piece of candy.
Literally. And
Oh, hello. Is that Jeebus?
it do be Jesus.
We have been saved. Have you heard the word?
Oh,
Excitement.
this is for a apartment. This is another super key. But I think this is for like an apartment, like a
P.O. box?
mailbox. Yeah, because it says lease.
Hmm.
Lease subject to I don't know.
It could be an apartment mailbox. Yeah. Look at
Any,
all the coins.
anywho,
That looks like a different coin right there. What's this right here?
we got to figure out if we can actually use these seats by
Quarter.
see if the those seats can house this, as well as housing the this seat belt here, because for whatever reason BMW strapped this to the seat rather than putting it to the body of the car. If not, then we'll have to no seatbelt it for a little bit and get some harnesses that click into the back seat, or that tie into where the seat mounts to the body. And we also have to see if these holes are going to line up with those holes. Now, before we go any further, let me just measure the rails. Can you get a tape measure? These seats look so good in here. We're leaving the plastic on them just because we're dirty from being in the shop. We don't want it to look bad. But what we got to order to make these not work anymore, make these work, is a planted bracket that'll adapt this to the OEM mounting points, because right now it doesn't work without modifying the seat bracket, and then it wouldn't be safe, and we also don't have anywhere to hook up the seat belt since BMW did BMW things. What we are going to do is we're going to remove this new seat, and we're going to remove the passenger seat, and we're going to vacuum and prep the surface. That way when the seat brackets do come in next week, we can just slap it all in and we'll be good to go. What'd you find under the seat?
An air chuck. Look at that.
That's pretty good.
That was just like, that was sitting like this, Harley, right next to the adjuster this entire time.
Oh, wow.
There's no way we did not see that driving it and working on this thing.
We definitely did not, because I don't remember that.
Yeah. I thought this was, wow. Okay. So.
All right, is the seat fully back?
Is the seat fully back?
So
There's no, is it just this black lever here?
Yep. Yep, it's all the way back. Oh, no, it was not.
Now it is. undo those plugs or these caps. A humble abode of a mouse with some ibuprofen. Ooh! Got an old dirty cigarette. Yo,
What?
you're gonna freak. You're gonna freak the fuck out.
Did you snap it?
No, I just found something super fucking cool.
What did you find?
Dude.
What is it? Oh shit!
Holy shit.
Oh my god! The big reveal. Taking the side seat out.
Exciting. I think it should just come right out.
Careful of the car.
Bam. Oh, an umbrella. Oh!
What do we got? I heard another coin.
Shaking it out for lunch money. We got
Ooh.
a plastic bag.
Oh, it's got like a...
Adult? Adult what?
Yikes. That's for you,
Yikes.
Kevo.
Alright, we'll dig deep.
Yo, we got some CDs?
CDs and umbrella.
I wonder if there's like actual things on the CDs. We gotta pull these out. Take a look at this. This is one of the most fun things about buying a used car. More coins.
All the coins.
Dude, it says something on there, but I can't read it. I'm gonna set you guys down so that way you can open this, but I don't want to set you down on this nasty table. A Lamau. So this one's unlabeled, that one's unlabeled. This one says 10 Pantera Cowboys from Hell.
Skew brother.
We got, oh.
Oh god.
Oh god.
Here, I'll just keep cycling through.
Full disclaimer, I bought this from a white guy. Wait, this is a game. There's a PC game. We got Falcon 40 Allied Forces.
You need to go home and play that.
It won't. I don't have a CD-ROM.
Death, scream, bloody gore.
It's alive. It's alive.
Mysterious loaf of dirt.
Ah, spooky. So now I'm just gonna pull out all the big shit, like the
Here, I'll bring the trash can over.
like the floor mats that are disintegrating to the floor.
Might as well throw those out.
Yeah, we're just gonna get rid of all the floor mats.
You're not sad again, are you, Splash King?
battery connection on the wind slot side too.
Are you smashed in?
So we wanted to get it started just to make sure that it did run, but we're also getting it started to see if our temp gauge will start working because we replaced that sensor. Also currently the tach isn't working, but I think if we, there we go. Oh, that's the fuel mileage, or fuel. We just, you know, if you just hit the dash, let's see if it'll, yep, tach works now. So I'm gonna see if I can show this on camera, but if you look at the coolant gauge, when I turn it on, it goes up a little bit and goes down. It didn't do that before. Oh, it didn't do it that time. Oh, no, it did. But, so I think it does work now, which is fantastic. We just gotta put the car on the ground, drive it, and see why it's doing what it's doing. We're gonna end it off here. We gotta get some seat brackets, and I have to get my carpet cleaner and a bunch of stuff to detail this, because in the next episode, once the patching is all dried and we have that all painted and everything, we're gonna get the new seats in, we're gonna detail the inside, detail the outside, and get her looking good. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Peace.